Hey everyone, welcome back to my series of videos where I'm solving all of the LeetCode problems. The next one is contains duplicate. Contains duplicate. Given an integer array nums, return true if any value appears at least twice in the array and return false if every element is distinct. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 1. I guess we need to iterate through the whole array to get it. Well, as always, I'm gonna do a dumb solution, which I'm saying it's dumb because it's pretty straightforward. And that will just consist in iterating and saving values that already appeared and checking if they have appeared before. But there might be a better way to do it. So solution contains duplicate of 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. I'm just curious of what is the best way to do it. So I will just create a set, which is something where I can put stuff that I don't need to count it. I don't need to have like a key value. I just need to put values there. And I can access them on O1 complexity. So for num in nums, if num in my set return true, I think we need to return true if there is a repeated one. And then it's my set dot add num and then return false. Yes, I'm gonna submit this as it is. Okay, and it did not do good, so let me check the solutions and see if someone's doing better. All possible easy solutions, single line of code. Very easy. Like the clickbait on these solutions are amazing. Brute force contains duplicate. Wow, it's iterating twice. Wow, I think, well, this is sucks. Sorting. Well, but sorting might take it's O n log n. So this is already more complex than what I did. Although it doesn't, well, sorting might use memory. Hash set. Yeah, this is what I'm doing. Scene set, I return true. Scene add for num and num if num and scene. Yeah, exactly. Approach 4 hash map. What's the difference? For num and nums if num in scene and scene num plus 1. It's pretty much the same as using a set. And you don't even need to be adding 1. Well, but there's a cat. Okay, I'll just vote you because there's a cat. Um, yeah, vid on solution. So I don't know. I think everyone's doing the same thing I did. I just happen to have a bad submission. Let's just submit again and see if it did better. Well, now it beats. Yeah, go figure. Thanks for watching.